Shine Miller. And if you saw part 1, you would know that this is part 2, which is the actual unboxing of my Reborn doll that I am adopting. Well, that I have adopted. We are going to see this doll together for the first time. I'm getting ready to open this package up, and we're going to see what she looks like. I'm super excited. I will have the information of the person who I adopted this baby from. Sorry for looking down, guys, but I don't want to cut myself, and I don't want to cut anything in this package. So I am pretty much trying to make sure that I do this correctly. Oh, okay. So, I'm so excited. Okay. All right. So, it's in this bag. And she is in this. I don't want to drop anything. Okay. Uh-oh, I feel something in the bottom of the bag. Okay, hold up, guys. I feel something. Feels like a pacifier. I know what they feel like. So yeah, it's definitely a passy. All right, so it's a Mickey Mouse passy. Okay, so I'm gonna just sit that there, and we're going to open up this stuff here. Okay, so she has a cute little teddy bear. The teddy bear is so cute.
Now I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord my soul to keep. Your love be with me through the night and wake me with the morning light.
Oh my God, this is... Y'all, please, oh my God, y'all, please. I do not want to cry. I do not want to cry in this video. Oh my God, y'all. That bear is so cute, and it says the prayers. Okay, let's see. Okay. Yeah. Okay, yeah, oh my God. I'm just going to show the outfits. Whoa, oh God, I just dropped some of the clothes. Okay, so this is her little dress. Oh, she's a big baby if she can wear this, because my baby wear preemie. What is it, 0 to 3 months? This is so cute. We have the little dress. Next we have a cute little onesie. It has like little clouds with glitter. And I'm assuming this is a 0 to 3 month as well. She has this cute little hat with a bow. Because if I'm not mistaken, I think she doesn't have any hair. Here's another little hat, a little pink. Oh, this hat goes actually with this. And then she has these cute little pants. Oh my God, they're so cute. And here's a onesie to go with it. And then she has this cute little peach bow. Destiny has a lot of these, but not, it's like the kind of like the fuller ones to kind of like, it shows her hair. I'll show you guys in another video. Okay, so now we're getting ready to open up. I'm gonna sit this stuff over here. We're getting ready to open up the actual baby. So this is a big baby, y'all. This is a big baby. This is a big baby. Oh, she's holding a little dryer sheet. And it smells good too. Y'all, this is a big baby. This is a big baby. Look at her little outfit. You a big girl. You a big girl. So this is her. Oh my gosh, she's so much bigger than Destiny. So much bigger. All right, let's take off. She doesn't have. Uh-oh, what's that fell? Oh, another bow. She has another bow. Oh, she had the bow on. Okay, I'm sorry. Your bow came off. And her ears are pierced just as well. Hi. Y'all, I don't even know what I'm going to name her. Oh. Look at how realistic she looks. Oh my God. She looks so realistic. Yeah, she looks so realistic. Hi. Oh my God, y'all. She looks so realistic. Look. It's scary how realistic she looks. She's cute. Okay. I'm getting choked up. All right, I'm gonna put her on a hat and something, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so we are back. I have on her little bow. This is actually the bow that fell when I took the pamper off her head. And she has a magnetic passy, which I'm not even familiar with, but I love it. Destiny mouth opens since she is a actual silicone baby. So I just open her mouth and she takes a whole pacifier. So, but yeah, I don't even know what to name this cute little girl. I don't know what to name her. So give me some names, please. Because like I have two babies right now, y'all. I have two babies. I have Destiny and I have this one. Yeah, I'm so excited. I am just so excited. So, yeah. I just gotta look at her one more time. She's so cute. Hi. She's so cute, y'all. How cute is she? I'm probably gonna change her earrings because I want to give her some earrings for the day that I actually unboxed her. So her birthday will be March today's what, the 24th or the 25th. Well, whatever today is, this is going to be her birthday. So I'm going to definitely change her earrings. Same thing with Destiny. Destiny's birthday is this month since I found her this month. But oh yeah, she smells so good. That dryer sheet, it really did. Yeah, I can't stop holding her. But I love her already and I don't even know her name. So yeah. Again, comment names below what her name should be. And I'll be trying to think of a name myself as well. And if you want more videos with my reborns, just let me know. I definitely can make that happen. And yeah, I got more videos coming for you guys too, because I have a lot of stuff that was in my P.O. box. So I will be doing those videos as well. All right, thank you all for watching so much. Me and my little munchkin, we love you. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye. Bye. Can I get your number? You gotta do it. That's like that.